In this tutorial, I will present the options in the on-demand platform's application menu. First, you already have access to your activities. On there, you can monitor the percentage of storage that is being used. Below, we have the total amount of storage, the amount that is available, and the amount that is being used. On the right, you will have access to your statistics. There you can track all the viewing data for your videos. Next, a little lower, you will see your uploaded files. Here, you can search for the files, see their duration, their size, and if you want to delete them, just click here. If you want to download a file, just click here, wait for the download to be prepared, and once it turns green, just click again. Your download will begin immediately.